Use of has or have. A. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Geeta has a book. A rabbit has long ears. Rohit has a new bicycle. Anu has 10 dolls. I have many friends. My uncle has a gun. Does he have a jacket? They have a house.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.